Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Suffered and Cypher's channel! Alright, so today we have PYRORAPTORs and we will be talking and unboxing of the Hammond Collection PYRORAPTOR. We have the Dino trackers and the Dominion battle damage, I believe, or epic attack. No, this is not epic attack. I'm sure it's battle damage or battle ready. You know, it's a Walmart exclusive, so like this, you just push the button, has that thing over there going on. And our other side has 3 scratches. And then we have the DNA scan here. There you go for this particular PYRORAPTOR. And we have the Dino tracker, a blue and yellow one. There's a DNA scan. So it's pretty much the same, except that this one doesn't have the battle damage feature. This one has it. This is the Walmart version. This one is pretty much everywhere. You can find this at Target, Walmart. I would say even at where was that? Best Buy, something like that. So anyways, so let's go to their main one, the Hammond Collection PYRORAPTOR. We're gonna unbox it. Let's check it. We already did the 3 ones. We're not getting cleared during. Alright, so there it is. Look at that, huh? That is a good looking PYRORAPTOR. Alright. Alright, let's unbox it. Alright guys. So how was school? It is Monday. Alright. Let's check it out. So exciting. Oh yeah. It is nice. Let's bring up the tail. I bet it's better. Oh, look at the tail. Nice and rubbery there. It's a nice rubber feeling. Oh, you can twist it? No way. Oh, that's nice. Oh, alright. Let's take him out. Oh, this is a very nice figure. Let's put the tail on. While I'm putting it on, I'd like to say thank you guys for the non-stop support again. I know I keep saying this, but I will say thank you to all the viewers here. Alright. Very nice. They're doing better and better. The teeth is sharp. Look at the eye. It's a marble eye, just like Delta and Blue. Okay, how do we open the mouth? Oh, there you go. Got it. So teeth are nice and sharp. Very nice. Nice. Look at the feather, all rubber, made of rubber. Very nice. There is articulation in the feet, the leg, where the talons are. Very nice piece here, guys. But of course, it is a smaller one. This battle damage here is bigger. Well, I'm sure same as the Dino tracker. Yeah, it is almost the same though. But the tail is longer for some reason. The tail is actually longer. Every Hammond Collection figures has longer tail if you compare to the others. See, like this. This head is smaller though. Yeah. So, really nice piece. Look at that, beautiful. Huh? It's kind of dark. It's not light. There you go. See that? Gorgeous. Look at that hair, huh? Very suave. Yeah. Good looking raptor here. We have a good looking fella here. Alright guys. Very nice. Look at the faded color there. They did it good. Real nice. Yeah. Yeah, let's let it stand. Oh yeah. Look at that, huh? Adds up to another PYRORAPTOR collection. So our epic attack PYRORAPTOR is coming soon. It's on the way. That will be exciting. We're gonna compare it to the Hammond Collection and the rest. That one has a sound. And I'm sure it's a little bigger as well. So yep, that's it for today guys. Okay guys, let's not forget to subscribe and smash that like button and stay in school. You guys have fun. Thank you again. You guys have a great one. Very well for now.